Intraday 4-hour wave counting on your screen, so many type of wave pattern, the AVC zigzag pattern, WXY double zigzag pattern, ending diagonal. As a beginner, you will learn so many things from beginner to pro level. The number one question everyone asks, how you will know this is top, start your wave counting here, and how you will know this is bottom, end your wave counting here. What is the magical superpower which can tell you that 5 impulsive wave of ending then end here, and wave Y or double zigzag end here, that market will finally do reversal from here? Because as a beginner, it is almost impossible to explain when you are brainwashed by rate hike narrative, mostly Citadel hedge fund. When pre-FOMC they were saying rate hike, surprise rate hike. When small hedge fund like situation awareness, when they blow up, not just that hedge fund, but small player, they were selling gold blindly near bottom. And when that hedge fund buy all your losses, next day big reversal, everything changed. Not just Fed, but indicator like yesterday, last Friday, NFP, everything changed. By the time NFP come, gold already break out and you miss entire entry. So gold jumped first, news came later, and by the time gold start flying, beginner were still selling gold top to bottom last week. So for beginner, almost impossible to explain the reversal coming after 5 impulsive wave of ending diagonal, double zigzag wave Y. So that's why I say Elliott wave theory is not alone. You need more the fundamental confirmation. Fed monetary policy, macroeconomics. Because you think Fed will cut just because of wave Y ending, gold testing psychological 4K area, or 5 impulsive wave of ending diagonal ending, that's not enough. You need both Elliott wave and Fed confirmation both side by side. Even if you compare this gold ending diagonal pattern and book example side by side, then you will feel a difference. According to book, gold must reverse immediately. It must spike immediately after 5th wave low. But gold take time. So many days even after 5th wave low, wave Y ending diagonal complete, still gold was sideways and breakout last week before NFP. Even if you compare book and chart side by side, still there is a difference. So that's why fundamental confirmation and technical Elliott wave counting, you need both, so that you can tell your client that this is bottom, reversal coming soon. But beginner always brainwashed by narrative created by hedge fund, your loss, their profit. Before your most favorite question, who will tell you start your wave counting here on this top and your wave counting here on this bottom? For few seconds, if you watch weekly time frame, based on this support zone we already knew, and gold will do a possible reversal. Problem is beginner were so much brainwashed by Citadel rate hike narrative that according to them, gold must crash below 4K. Not reversal, according to them, counter and correction was not possible. So they were so much addicted to sell narrative. So before bottom we knew this is possible support zone, and so many weekly candlesticks repeatedly showing rejection confirm that slowly gold is making bottom. And before we start our WXY wave counting of H4, when you see this weekly time frame, this previous ABC wave, which is our larger daily W, that was counter trend correction X, which retraced 50%. And by default 50% everyone know is possible sale zone, reversal zone. So when gold reverses from 50% retracement, the possible wave Y of WXY of weekly time frame, if it make new lower low, break down previous low, and that support zone was possible bottom. So before you start your wave counting on H4, you know this is possible bottom, this is possible support. Here you do your wave counting. So that was W, the sub wave of W, wave A, correction V, then market went down again in wave V. If you see as a wave counting, then wave 4 make triangle chart pattern ABCDE, market break down again in 5th impulsive wave. That was your total ABC wave structure zigzag, making a parallel channel, upper and lower trend line testing. And 5th wave, wave C reverse from lower parallel line that convert into larger degree wave W, market retrace 30%, then fall again. After wave W, 38% retracement, that was beginning of wave Y. So when you use few extension tool, that was your 100% retracement 4071. You know, before that wave Y cannot end. Market fall, crash and do up and down movement, trapping everyone in both direction, making ending diamond chart pattern. And fourth wave low, final low, then market start reversing. So you can see final low of the range came in fifth wave low, the wave Y. But like I said, Elliott wave confirmation is not enough. You need fundamental confirmation to verify that wave Y must end. This ending diamond is real, because according to Elliott wave blue book, ending diamond always come in end of the trend, either top or bottom, not in the middle. So how you will verify that this end of the wave Y trend, ending diamond on bottom is real? Because just before final fifth wave, there were so many confirmation step by step. Before final wave Y, before lower trend line third retest, before ending diamond complete the final fifth wave low, our first fundamental confirmation come on June 10. That was your first core CPI lower than expected, first fundamental hint confirmation that reversal coming. For your help, because that time wave counting was exclusive to premium member, you can read CPI is cool soft, that means less fear of high. That was first hint. But nobody listened, market keep falling, make low. Then next day, your core PPI came. That was also lower than expected. But before that, hedge fund were busy selling gold. Immediately after core PPI confirmation, market fully reversed. Big jump. But that time, you ignore all the fundamental news. That's why almost impossible to explain beginner trader the fundamental and this wave counting, because according to them gold was moving on war narrative when Trump said peace agreement for Iran war, but it was moving on core PPI. But still war happening, war is not stopping. Last week when gold spiked pre-NFP, statement came from Besant when he said they will open trade today or tomorrow, but still trade is closed, war is still happening. But you always blind by narrative, the rate hike fear, you ignore the fundamental. The first hint was June 10, the soft core CPI. The next July 14, again CPI cool. For your confirmation, for your help, not just wave counting, because that wave counting was exclusive to premium member. The CPI chart that was peak downturn and clearly written in Telegram channel, cool enough to end rate hike narrative. But nobody listen, still you busy selling gold. And that was the CPI number after 3 retests of lower trend line, after wave Y end, after ending diamond completely end, and spike even after ending diamond. But still nobody listen. Magical part, immediately after CPI number, just 1 hour after CPI Fed chain statement come, he said mission not accomplished. Gold made new lower low but failed to make range low. That was your ending diamond, wave Y, and that was your double bottom. So this pattern is not available in book. Ending diamond example in the book, but not double bottom with ending diamond. But market repeat this pattern so many times. But this is very dangerous, very powerful. Ending diamond, then 2 retest. There was one chart pattern not completely part of Elliott wave theory, strong trend line. If you watch all our weekly video, then before breakout give advance warning. This trend line running out of space, breakout coming soon. So before this breakout, that was not Elliott wave theory, that is price action. But still there were clear warning in Telegram based on weekly chart. No space in trend line on weekly candlestick, breakout coming soon. That was a warning before breakout. After that, gold made one more trend line. There was triangle structure, same like that in the video. And Telegram there was again warning. Because triangle is sinking trend line, so they become out of space, ultimately lead to breakout. And which came last week when Besant say straight opening today or tomorrow, but still closed. Same like this statement from Trump. But you ignore fundamental like CPI, PPI and Fed monetary policy statement, only trade narrative. So here on this low, fifth wave, low wave Y, Elliott wave complete, after that totally price action. So this trend line, it is beyond Elliott wave theory. Again this trend line, this is outside Elliott wave syllabus. So Elliott wave is not enough for best trading experience if you add little bit of price action, because you need this trend line breakout and add one more, the final magical part, Fed. The first hint came on June 10, first time cool CPI. Second hint came on July 8, FOMC minute PDF which nobody read. Last and final for hedge fund and trading community, July 14, same day CPI, 1 hour later Fed statement, mission not accomplished. So this is Fed Powell in 2023, what he said. It would be premature, it would be very premature to declare victory on inflation. That is 23, and that is 26. Was statement, mission not accomplished. So this is their language, believe or not, but this is how they talk. And now two cool CPI number, two cool NFP number, data is enough to change Fed monetary policy statement. But by the time you know what to do next, read news headline, gold already did range breakout, did total reversal, and this top to bottom WXY wave. Last Friday closing, if you see, more than 38% retracement is complete. But Elliott wave confirmation, final wave Y, 5 impulsive wave bottom. The confirmation is starting June 10, first hint, then July 14, second hint, the second time cool inflation. Third hint, last Friday, 7 August, the negative NFP. I think when you have negative NFP, based on macroeconomics, there is no reason to hike. But still some people are talking about hike. This is almost similar market behavior, only change is last time it was Powell, this time is worse. We gave you Elliott wave counting on bottom 1620, but nobody listened. That was September month counting, but market reversal came in November month. So it takes time, does not happen immediately all the time. But market behavior is same 4 years ago and today. For few seconds, let's compare book and market side by side, so beginner understand better. You can see book example and market side by side. AVC zigzag pattern, and same like that 5 impulsive wave in wave C. On larger degree you can see WXY double zigzag pattern, the AVC in wave W, the counter trend correction in wave X. Then instead of AVC subdivision of wave Y, we have ending diagonal pattern. Same like that, ending diagonal. The entire wave Y top to bottom, that was ending diagonal. But you can see book reversal come instantly after end of wave Y, the fifth wave, lower trend line 3 retest. But this time, even after fifth wave low, the ending diagonal complete 100%, still gold take time for a reversal. And during this time, hedge fund were building their buy position and you were motivated to sell by hedge fund like Citadel.